Here are 5 factors to consider when optimizing Healthspan. Number 1, food. Eat foods that nourish you, that are health promoting and disease fighting. Number 2, movement. You want to move mindfully. As we age, you don't want to necessarily push harder, faster, stronger. You want to tune in and really listen to your body and take care of each and every single cell. 3 is connect. There's so much research to support how important it is to nourish your relationships with others and to keep those connections alive. That is so helpful for lifespan and healthspan. Satiate. It's really good to think about why you do things. Take care of yourself, nurture your self-care. It's really important not to forget all of that. And finally, number 5, stimulate. Keep your brain going for cognitive function. Do puzzles, have intellectually stimulating conversations, read, growth mindset. The more you stimulate your brain, the more it will do you good in the long run. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have questions.